This video tutorial I will explain what is single sign-on and why do we need a single sign-on. Imagine you have a bunch of different accounts for various websites and apps, and each one has its own username and password. So it can be a hassle to remember and manage all of them. Single sign-on or SSO is like having magical key that unlock all these accounts with just one login. Instead of logging in separately to each website or app, SSO let you log in once and then it automatically grant you access to all other services without needing to enter your login details again. And it saves you lot of time and makes life easier. SSO works by securely connecting all these services and storing your login information in a safe place. When you want to access any of those services, the SSO system checks if you are already authenticated. If you are already authenticated, then it allows you in without bothering you with additional login steps. And it is like having a master key for all your online accounts and making your digital life more convenient and secure. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please click on like button and please subscribe to my channel. You can get Java source code and PowerPoint presentation for each and every video. That you can see it in the description section of the video. Click on show more and here you can see the description and here you can see the links to download source code and PowerPoint presentation.